Transform your van's kitchen with our 304 stainless steel campervan sinks by the Van Pimps Group. Our sinks are designed specifically for van conversions and life on the road. Constructed from 304 stainless steel with a tempered glass lid and available in a grey or silver finish. Our sinks combine durability with modern styling, making them perfect for compact spaces. The VPG sinks are built to our high standards to tackle everyday adventures with outstanding corrosion resistance. With a modern brushed grey or silver finish and included tap, it brings a clean, high-end look to any camper interior. The provided hot and cold tap adds convenience for any camper trip. Our taps and all fitting accessories are the highest possible quality, ensuring a durable and long-lasting setup in your camper kitchen. And the tempered glass lid creates an extra workspace when closed, perfect for everyday compact camper kitchens. Our sinks are also fitted with soundproofing foam to the underside, which keeps noise levels to a minimum. And with all fixing accessories included, installation is simple and hassle-free. Practical, stylish and built for van life, the Van Pimps Group 304 stainless steel sinks are the perfect finishing touch to your camper's interior. Head over to our website now for more information and the measurements you'll need to know before installing at vwtransporters.co.uk.